Sip and Slay was an event that incorporated just a few friends that got together to color and to relax and to have a stress-free Saturday.
I felt total relaxation, total centeredness.
You can do this coloring experience. You can experience it yourself and have the beauty of a relaxing day in your own home. It was fun and it was enjoyable and it was spirit lifting.
When I saw the other ladies' projects, it made me stretch because if they could do it, I could do it.
That's what the community of coloring is all about. You get to draw inspiration from those that are around you. And I recommend it to anybody that's looking for a special event to do for a girls' weekend, a gathering.
It made me tap into my creative space. And so I feel happy. The portraits made me feel empowered.
Beauty Close-Up Volume 1, a tribute to the beauty of Black women. Color your way, make it your way. Sip and Slay.